Adjust the oven rack and preheat the oven. Very important to use the right size pan. Line the pan with baking paper, butter the pan and line it with the baking paper. Break the eggs, beat them well and then add the butter. Add the oil slowly while you beat thoroughly and the warm milk. Now out of the box comes this lovely mixture of carrot and pineapple, and to give texture we add a cup of fresh carrot. Beat it well. Open the bag and add all the dry mix. Mix in by hand with a spatula. This is the right consistency. Pour the mixture into the pan, and to remove air bubbles, you drop the pan a couple of times. Tastes good. Now into the oven. Check to see if it's done. You can see it's come away from the sides of the pan a little bit. Leave it to cool a little and then we turn out the cake. Please remember not ever to ice until the cake is absolutely cold. Remove the baking paper. To divide the cake in two, we use toothpicks to get the middle, and we cut the cake with fish wire or dental floss. Put the icing into our icing kit bag. Ice the cake. To get that nude look, we leave the sides a little bit see-through. Some nuts on top and ready for tea.